Alright, in this video we're going to take a look at skinning and creating a hand controller for our model here. So right now we did apply skinning to our character, but it could be a little bit disoriented. So for example, as I move this down, the thumb starts to flatten out a little bit, and we're not exactly sure where to sort of move things around. So what I normally do is I actually go ahead and I build the hand controller first and play an animation of the fist controlling or closing in order to better skin the model. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to simply select all of these knuckles here. Type select -high and hit enter. And then I'm going to go to my animate set driven key, which we also have here. I'm going to hit load driven, and it's going to load in all of those fingers. And I'm going to go ahead and select all of these fingers, and I'm going to select all the translation and rotations. And the reason why is as I move these fingers around or rotate them to make a fist, I also have to move them. And then for my driver, I want to go ahead and select this hand. Now notice how I haven't created an attribute for this yet. So let's just go to modify, add attribute. And I'm just going to call this fist, and minimum 0, max 10, and let's not forget that we want integers here, and I'm going to hit add. And then let's just go ahead and reload the driver so fist appears, and I'm going to key that. So what that did right off the bat, and we might want to delete history actually on this guy. Well, we'll leave it alone for now. So right now at 0, our fist is like this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually just going to go ahead and pose this out and make a closed fist here. You go ahead and go to world axis. Alright, I'm going to maximize this a little bit. And let's just go ahead and rotate this down. And what you notice is the just like I was saying before, I have to really tweak it on every axis to make a good fist. Let's go ahead and turn off X-ray mode too, so I can see that a little bit better. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and select that bone as well. Oops. Let's hit F to focus. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and close this guy. You can see how the fingers are really, they're kind of going nuts here. Right, and one of the issues that we're going to have is I forgot to enter 10 here. So you see it's going to pop back. So let me go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and set that back into the fist position. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and hit key. You'll see we get a fist close on this hand. And that also gives us the opportunity to really look at this and see where there's issues. So for example, you can see the fingers kind of flip out a little bit here. Actually, I might want to, I'm going to go ahead and on 10, let's move this to 10. Because I have this editor still open, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of nudge that over and then key that. So let's take a look at this. There you go, that's a lot better. And then let's look at some skinning.